Car's in neutral. Let it get itself together. All right, we got jump start on. Car's in neutral. I know it's a little dirty. Get itself again antiquated. Give her a second. There we go. It's alive. So, with a little bit of jump, ding, ding, car is on. So, we got a couple of updates this week. Sold a car this week. I found a previous car that I had that I totaled, not by choice or anything. It's just things happened and car slipped in one direction, hooked in another, and ended up totaling the front. So, got updates as to where that car is today. We're going to show you the car, what it was, and don't forget, guys, giveaway information is right there. Like, comment, subscribe, and here we go with the footage for today. All right, guys, so we got both Crown Vics sold. This was the other one that was on the lot. So we'll see you later, Crown Vic. So 2 Crown Vics are sold. We go on with our lives. And thanks for the memories. So we did good today. We sold 2 Crown Vics. We're going home and this glorious garbage is outside. So heading home. Gonna put some more videos together and try to make it through this snow crap. Fantastic. the end of today's footage for you. That's where we're going to end today. The car is doing well in the hands of the new owner. They've got 20-inch wheels. I don't know the specifications of the brand. They've got Bullitt S-type exhaust. And they're enjoying their car, and they're writing new stories in their book with the car ownership. And that's great. I'm a little saddened to see the pictures that I had to find. But overall, I'm happy that somebody's enjoying their car, and they're ultimately enjoying the car and driving it around. That's the goal with any car, I suppose. But that's going to do it for today, guys. We'll see you later. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.